Hello and welcome to History Through Question.
Today's topic is sources and historiography of modern Indian history. We will already covered all the topics of concept, ideas and terms. Now we will start modern Indian history. Okay, so in this first topic is sources and historiography. So an abundance of historical materials is available. हमारे पास काफी ज़्यादा historical material available है for studying the India from the mid 18th century to the mid 20th century. Okay, so in constructing the history of modern India जो priority है it needs to be given to the archives. Okay, so what are archives? It refers to a collection of archives collection है historical records के and documents. Okay, और ये जो documents हैं it is basically primary source documents, that is the primary source documents. Now ये जो primary source documents हैं that are those documents that have been created as a necessary part of some activity. Okay, either जो वो activity हो सकती है वो administrative activity हो सकती है, legal activity हो सकती है, social activity हो सकती है या फिर commercial activity हो सकती है. Okay, so ये जो documents हैं they are unique original documents but at the same time not consciously written or created to convey informations to a future generations. ये इसलिए नहीं रिटर्न किए जाते थे और क्रिएट किए जाते थे कि वो इंफॉर्मेशन को कन्वे कर सकें टू अ फ्यूचर जनरेशंस, बट ऑल्दो इट हेल्प्स टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट the historians in order to get some relevant informations from the same. Okay, and important part of the archives अगर हम देखें that was related to the modern India वो आते हैं under the category of official records. Okay, so ये official records क्या हैं? That is the papers of government agencies at the various levels. Okay, अगर हम बात करें ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी की तो जो records हैं of the East India Company they provide a detailed account of trading conditions. वो हमें बताते हैं डिटेल में जो trading conditions थी, trading conditions that was prevalent during the period 1600 to 1857. Okay, after that 1858 में क्या हुआ था? So when the British Crown took over the administrations it also kept a large variety and volumes of official records. Okay, और ये जो records हैं ये historians को help करते हैं to trace every important development stage by stage. Okay, and follow the process of decision making and the psychology of the policy makers. Okay, तो ये historians को help करते हैं. ओके, और कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उनकी डिसीजन मेकिंग को अंडरस्टैंड करने में और उनकी साइकोलॉजी को अंडरस्टैंड करने में, दैट इज द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ पॉलिसी मेकर्स. क्या उनकी साइकोलॉजी थी व्हाइल मेकिंग द पॉलिसी at that time. Okay, at the same time the records of the other European East Indian companies such as the Portuguese, Dutch and the French वो भी काफी यूजफुल है हमारे लिए for constructing the history of the 17th and the 18th centuries. Okay, so they are primarily important from the point of view of economic history. तो ये जो सारे रिकॉर्ड्स हैं हमारे इकोनॉमिक हिस्ट्री के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है और इन रिकॉर्ड से हमें इकोनॉमिक हिस्ट्री के बारे में काफी पता चलता है. बट much can be gathered from them about the political setup as well. Apart from economic history, they also show some light in political aspect as well. Okay, so there are also some contemporary and the semi contemporary works वो भी available हैं such as memoirs, various biographies are also available. Okay, travel accounts are also there which gives also an interesting as well as useful information provide करती हैं हमें in the period of 18th century and the early 19th centuries. Next आ जाते हैं newspapers and journals. Okay, so they made their appearance in the later part of the 18th century. ये जो पॉपुलर हुए थे इन दी लेटर पार्ट ऑफ 18th सेंचुरी में पॉपुलर हुए थे. एट द सेम टाइम they also provide very valuable information on almost all aspect of the इंडियन सोसाइटी. जो हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी के जितने भी एस्पेक्ट्स थे वो उन सभी पे इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ जो ये न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं और जो जर्नल्स हैं इट वॉज बेसिकली पब्लिश्ड इन द रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस, तो ये हमें काफ़ी डाइवर्स इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ओके, ऑन द अदर हैंड अदर सोर्सेज ऑफ द मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री का हम देखें सो देयर आर ओरल एविडेंसेस, some creative literature as well, and last but not the least the paintings. So we will discuss in detail one by one. So this is an introduction to the source and historiography. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this. Have a good day.